something here still bothers you. And for some reason, it keeps on circling and circling right here in my mind. And whatever is this? This is something here na hindi natatapos. But it has to end. May bumabagabag sa'yo. Meron pa rin ditong nagko-control ng sitwasyon mo. You are wanting to have that control here with the Emperor, but with that Five of Wands energy, you're losing control. Look at this. What did I told you? It has to end. Death. What's going on here? It looks like there's something in your energy that's blocking you. Don't worry, we're gonna find it out. And I'm gonna help you. Okay, so let's go. So nakikita ko rito, mukhang yung nakuha nating energies, no, ay yung mga meron pa ritong galit, pwedeng meron pa ritong grudge or puot, no, na nararamdaman, no, with the devil energy, no, meron pa ritong attachment, no, sa mga hindi magandang nangyari sa inyong nakaraan, no, yung mga experiences, no, na hindi magaganda ay maaaring meron ka pang nararamdaman na galit, puot, no, or pagkasuklam, no, nakakuha tayo ng gano'n, no, pagkasuklam dun sa tao na nakagawa sa inyo ng hindi maganda, yung tao na naging parte, no, ng malaking kalungkutan sa buhay ninyo. Yan, no. So, yun ang nakikita ko rito. The past still got that hold in you. Alam mo yung galit na gigil na gigil ka to the point na niiyak ka, naluluha ka, no? And then, this is you na pwedeng kahit sobrang tagal nang nangyari nun, ikaw to na ngayon, masakit pa din yun talaga sa'yo. No? Parang yung to the point na yung iba gusto ninyong maghiganti or gusto ninyong may mangyaring hindi maganda dun sa person or yung iba naman, no, pwedeng hindi naman kayo nag-iisip ng revenge or paghiganti pero posibleng nasasaktan pa kayo, no, about that situation, no. May malaki pa ring effect ito sa inyo hanggang ngayon, yan. So, you're still holding on to that past, okay? So, hindi ka pa talaga dun nakaka-recover ng malaki, no, at nakikita ko rito na gusto mo na makaalis dun, no, or hindi na maramdaman itong mga bagay na 'to, pero hindi mo rin naman talaga alam kung paano ka rito makakaalis. Yung iba, iniisip ko rito na parang, naghihintay rito, no, ng makatutulong sa kanila, and for some reason, I'm picking up na tao yung hinihintay ninyong makatulong sa inyo, no. Pero I must say, mga babes, no, na sa buhay may mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa atin, 'no, at nagbibigay sa atin ng sigla. Pero 'pag pagdating sa life, walang ibang makatutulong sa atin kundi ang sarili natin. So, sa sitwasyon niyong ito, nakita kong matagal na kayong nasadlak dito, matagal na kayong, nakatali, 'no, dito sa masakit na experience na 'to in the past, 'no. Hindi niyo pa rin ito hanggang ngayon matanggap sa inyong sarili, 'no, nagawa 'yun ng taong 'yun or nangyari 'yun sa inyo, 'no. So, kung sino man yung tao na yun, nakikita ko rito, no, na isa siyang tao rito that with the devil energy right here and there's this four of coins in reverse. Okay? Isa siyang tao na walang pakialam sa iba. Puno ng galit, puno ng puot, walang concern. Kaya nung nangyari man ito sa inyo noon, no, hindi ko siya nakitaan rito na nagsisi siya or nag-isip man lang siya rito na mag-sorry sa'yo, no, kahit papano man lang, no. Pero this is the type of person here, no, na galit siya, no. Galit siya rito. Yun ang nakikita ko rito. Galit siya sa'yo, galit siya sa mundo, galit siya rito no, sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay niya, no. So, ito yung tao na walang happiness sa life. And I think you're not aware, no, na hangga't nakakapit ka sa energy ng iyong nakaraan, okay? Yung galit, yung puot na nararamdaman mo, that makes you feel really sick right now, okay? Nagiging kagaya mo yung energy ng taong ito na nanakit sa'yo. Parehas kayong nagho-hold rito, no, ng galit at puot sa sitwasyon. Spirits are saying that you are far better than this person here. Don't be like them. Malayo ang mararating mo 10 times fold kaysa sa tao na yan. Don't be like them. Start letting go that grudge slowly in your life. Let go. That's what your angels and guides wants you to do. That anger only makes you feel sick and tired and weak, and that keeps you from experiencing real happiness right here. Don't be like those people who hurt you, na nagtatanim ng galit, no? Don't be like those people here who betrayed you, cheated on you, lied to you, nagsinungaling, nagtaksel, nagluko. Don't hold grudge to them. Don't give him or her the reason na hanggang ngayon ay hindi ka pa rin makawala sa kanila. Kaya mong baguhin yung buhay mo. You're far better than this person here 10 times fold. Okay? Hindi ka nila katulad. Iba ka. Okay? Pero hanggat dala-dala mo, yeah, see, look at that. 8 of Cups to this 6 of Swords energy. Let go. Let go. Slowly. Move to the unknown. Kasi mas meron doon na naghihintay para sa iyo. On the other side of the river, if you cross this river right here, what is this river right here? This is the river right here, moving towards that bridge to the moon card energy. Let the moon guide you. Ano ba yung moon dito? Moon right here, okay? Are messages right here that's telling you, okay, that you need to listen here with your angels and guides because they're guiding you towards a different path now. Iwan mo na lahat ng mga nararamdaman mong galit for that person because ang galit ay isang negatibong energy at hindi ikaw yan. Okay? For some reason, nakikita ko rito na kung sino man 'tong person na ka-connect mo, alam mo, na literal na parang halos isa talaga siyang devil, 'no? Dahil sa ginawa niya sa inyo rito. And he or she didn't felt sorry for that. Didn't even care to apologize to you. And you're not like them because you are warm-hearted, because you are loving, you are caring, you are nurturing person here, you are genuine, you are someone here who's like an angel. And because you are an angel, you are not fitted with the devil, isn't it? An angel do not hold any grudges right here. You need to release whatever it is from the past at hindi talaga siya magpi-fit sa energy mo dahil magkaiba kayo. Siya ay isang devil at ikaw ay isang anghel. Let go. Find another angel, okay, na mas magpi-fit sa energy mo. Don't worry, because you're well guided by your angels and spirit guides. They will bring you the person that will suit more sa iyong energy, that will perfectly fit sa iyong energy. An angel is for another angel. An angel cannot be with the devil. And you are an angel. An angel should not feel that loneliness, that heartache, that anger, that hatred. An angel deserves calmness and peace. And you are an angel. Matagal ka nang nabuhay rito sa ganitong klase ng pain. Oras na para bitiwan mo na yan. Okay? Kung gusto mo, ihagis mo yan sa mukha ng devil. Yang mga bagahe na yan, ihagis mo, no? Sa kanyang fest, no? Meaning, i-release mo na yung bagahe na yan, one time, big time, and then move towards the pathway where there's light, because an angel is destined to go with the light. Okay? And this devil, if he or she wants to stay in the dark, then let them be. You're far different from them. Malayong malayo. Malayong malayo ka sa mga yan. Yeah, you release. Release. Okay? Find your true happiness right here. 9 of Coins energy. Ride to that ship coming towards you. They're leading you towards your wish. Go after your dreams and goals in life. Create that perfect happiness here, and the universe will bring everything to you. An angel is for an angel, and you are an angel, so you're perfect only for another angel. Stop caring for those people right here. They do not deserve for your care and concern. Continue moving towards your life and never even look back. Don't even try to turn your head with the past. Don't even try to look back to the past experiences right here that you've experienced, that caused traumatic experiences right here with you in the past. Don't look back to that anymore. Continue to walk and never turn your head with anyone in the past. See? Three of Cups energy, the Star, and the Eight of Pentacles energy. Marami ritong success ang naghihintay sa'yo. Katuparan ng mga pangarap mo, the Star and the Nine of Cups are the representations that there are a lot of beautiful things waiting for you. Let go of that galit. Let go of that grudge. If you feel like that you still hate your ex for betraying you, sumama sa third party, niloko kayo, nagsinungaling, nagtaksel, that person do not deserve your anger. When you're angry, pag galit na galit ang isang tao, nakakainis, gusto ko siyang sapakin, mga ganyan, no? Gusto ko siyang sampalin, gusto ko mangyari sa kanya kung ano yung nangyari sa akin, kind of thing. And what happens when you're doing that? Your energy dies down. You're having low vibration, low frequency right here. And this person here is nasa baba, di ba? And if you try to get angry with this person here, huwag kang pumantay sa energy niya. Okay? Kasi ganito kayo. Maintain this. Ito siya, ito ka, ganyan kayo. Malayo ang agwat ninyong dalawa. Let go. Ikaw kaya mong baguhin ang buhay mo. Siya gusto niya dyan, di dyan siya. Maraming mangyayaring magaganda pa sa'yo rito, babe. Okay? Kaya kung galit ka pa, nalulungkot ka pa sa nakaraan, may nararamdaman ka pang hindi maganda or negative feelings and emotions sa mga taong nakasakit sa'yo, well, hindi nila deserve ang energy mo. But did I told you? You are an angel and this other person is the devil. You are an angel and an angel also deserves blessings, happiness, and when it comes to love, you deserve another angel just like you. Yeah, if you want that beautiful, harmonious relationship, partner here, there's coming. There's someone coming. And gladly, it's like an angel just like you. Yeah. Wow! Okay? So, wala talagang kakwenta-kwenta, no, na magalit kayo sa nanakit sa inyo, no? Dahil, una sa lahat, hindi nila deserve ang kahit na konti sa iyong energy. At remember, you are an angel and you deserve all the good stuffs in the world. Okay? So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much for your time spent here and please do check out other channels. Ang mga links ay nasa description box. Sarang Heyo Love and Light. Annyeong!